everybody. I'm Christopher, and the guy behind the camera, as always, is Jake the Snake, and behind me is a gorgeous 1972 Monte Carlo. Numbers matching engine, numbers matching transmission. It's the Mulsane blue exterior with black vinyl interior. We have the original build sheet for this car.
You want to pop this hood?
Well, we might as well.
Here, I'll pull the thingy.
You pull the thingy, and I'll pull the hood. And, oh my.
Look at that.
Oh, wow. I have not seen it yet since it's been beautifully detailed. My God,
Beautiful
look at the
orange.
stickerage.
Oh, we got stickerage.
We've got a ton of it.
All over the place in here.
Okay, wow. All right,
done.
So this original build sheets with this car. We have power steering, power brakes. We've got factory air conditioning. You gotta love factory air. 15-inch chrome rally wheels with radial tires, dual exhaust. This is a sharp, numbers matching vehicle. I don't know if we've seen this yet, so let's take a look.
Oh, the trunk's very nice in this car.
Oh, yeah, you weren't kidding. You weren't even kidding.
We got the nice mat, and then even underneath the mat,
oh,
very solid. And
real
we got
solid.
more stickerage under here.
I love great stickers. They really took care of this car, this first generation Monte Carlo. Why don't we take a look at that inside?
Big chrome bumpers, dual exhaust as well.
Chrome's not beat up.
Monte Carlo badge.
Gotta love the nice badges. This is cursive, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of our younger viewers probably won't know that.
I learned cursive. I was one of the last people to do so.
Probably.
We got a nice Sony head unit in here, and that's newer.
That is new.
AC and heat. Gotta love that.
Factory AC.
Cool looking gauges, automatic, black vinyl seats.
Well.
And I tested the AC and the heat earlier. Both of them work, and the defroster works.
Whoa, this car's got a lot of cool stuff. I really love the blue. This car's gorgeous. I can't wait to drive it. How about you, Jake?
Sounds good, let's do it.
Let's do it.
All right, you ready to go, Chris?
Sure, let's go.
Sounds nice.
Oh, it does. It does indeed. All right, ready?
I am ready.
I feel super tall.
Well, I mean, these seats do have, I don't know if they're newer cushions or just really good cushions, but they're very comfortable.
They are.
And very supportive. No buckets, you got a bench in this one, but that's okay.
That's right, so if you take a good turn, your lady friend could slide right next to you.
Sony head unit works great. I actually used it earlier. Picks up all the stations.
Oh,
if you'd ever want your heat and AC controls right there. Again, all of them work. I tried them earlier.
Nice.
The nice wood grain dash we have going on to match the wood grain on the steering wheel. Very cool. And that big blue hood. I love looking at big blue hood.
Mulsane
blue.
Mulsane blue. It's gorgeous.
This is a very nice car. I love the decal on the dome light, little flower, make it look ornate.
Oh, you used the word ornate in a sentence. I think I owe you $5 now. That's a damn.
Is that word of the day?
That should be, because I like it. We never used to use that around here. Oh, wow. She drives like a dream. No hesitation.
A lot of low-end torque. Low gears.
Sure. Low gears. Got good highway gears.
Good for highway cruising.
Oh, sure.
But I mean, it's a big boat, so.
It is, and it eats up the bumps, you know?
Yeah.
It really does. This first generation Monte Carlo.
What do you expect?
I expect nothing but the best.
Good beans.
She's got beans, and she's not even really warm yet, but she's
No, we just started her today. And it's getting cold again here in Missouri.
Yep.
It's been warm the last few days, but it's cold again. We're in the 40s.
Wow. But we still got the windows down because we're men.
And this really drives really nice.
It does. Totally straight. Laser straight.
And look.
Oh, the laser straight.
Brakes dead straight.
Oh,
that was impressive.
It was.
And look, we got a little microphone up there for your hands-free calling on your radio.
Well. This has got more surprises.
Got a couple of modern amenities.
Numbers matching everything and well cared for.
It is good.
It's been loved. It has been loved.
And
she's got a little pup.
You have a cigarette lighter in case you want to take up smoking.
Kids,
don't
please,
smoke.
Don't smoke.
Kids don't smoke. But these old cars all came with cigarette lighters.
They did.
So you had the option.
Yes.
But you shouldn't do it.
No.
And we have big old back seat.
For plenty of people.
For plenty of people. And some modern speakers back there as well.
Oh, hello.
Alpine speakers. I can see them from here.
Well.
This thing's actually really nice.
It's a great car. The paint job's amazing.
I know.
It's very well
I would love
for.
to have this car. This blue is just epic looking. Love looking out that windshield.
Whoever wiped it off and cleaned it did a good job.
Thank you.
It's Jake. I didn't do it.
I'm not completely worthless.
Close. No, I'm just kidding. He's
Oh,
okay. Wow. All right. You just settle down. It's all just jokes, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, we even got
Oh.
stickerage in the glove box.
Is that where all the fuses are? Is that a
No,
little fuse
this
thing?
isn't the
No?
fuses, but this is service to be performed at mileage intervals, and it has dots
Stop
for
it.
which services need to be performed at which mileages for your car.
That's
pretty
cool.
We got a green light. Oh my goodness.
I didn't really hit it.
No, it's just torquey.
She's a torquey
It's
mess.
just torquey. It puts you back in your seat a little bit when you get on it.
Love it with the vinyl. The beautiful vinyls. All right, we're at a stop sign.
Here's
See what this torque
bean
monster
time.
does.
Oh my goodness.
Sorry. Whoops. My foot slipped.
Your foot slipped
Yes, that's what we're gonna say.
to the police
Wow.
officer when we get pulled over.
Sorry, sir. Moose out front should have told you. It's wow, it's got some torques.
Got some torques. Spun the tires like nothing.
Yeah. I really didn't like push it all the way to the floor either. Didn't have to. But they're doing a little bit of training, so we'll go down to the next one.
Man, this thing drives nice.
It really does.
It's a nice cruising car. Very comfortable.
She's a dream.
This seems like a good spot for a good old-fashioned startup.
Dum, 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 dum. I'm gonna move a little further down past Mr. Green Jeans here.
That's all right.
This is one of the good old-fashioned startup areas.
Yes. All right, let's do it.
Da, 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 da. I got a little scratch in second gear.
I know, it's torquey.
I'm pretty proud of myself. You want to drive this bad boy back?
Sounds good to me.
Let's do it.